As a developer, our mind is our wealth. Yeah, it is. We really want to be clear, absolutely clear in every circumstances and every possible scenarios, and we try to understand each steps in a project that is involved. Maybe we want to manage our team. Basically, what I'm trying to say is sometimes we want to do some mind mapping that, okay, this is how I'm going to do this task. This is how I'm going to finish this project, or this is how my requirement from the client is. And on pen and paper, it becomes really messy because we need to do a lot of, cross. We need to do a lot of changes, and on paper, it is not very possible, and that's why we really need a digital tool and a lot of tools out there in the industry. One such is miro, my personal favorite. Today we're gonna see how it is very helpful as a developer. We can take most out of it. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, open up the browser with miro.com, and then you can see they provide a lot of features, not just mind mapping. Particularly today we're going to see just mind mapping, but they provide a lot of other features. And here you see they provide a ton of services. Why not to create a new account and see these things live? Yeah, let's do it. Open mail.tm because I have an account with my email address already, so I am going to use a temporary email address. So let's take this email and go to miro and then paste it. All right, continue with the email. It will ask my name, Ajman, password. Then it will send me an email with a code. All right. Come on, commit. Okay, we got the code. We have to click on refresh, and here it is the code. We pasted, and now it's taking us to Miro, and it will ask some the kind of this things. Let's click on create new team, and then it will ask what my company name is. What you let's write code and what just give anything. IT services to individual, and then the team planning events or others, whatever you feel. Just give some informations. What other use cases? It's my first time. Company size only me, and blah. Just go to continue. Skip for now. Yeah, skip this step. I want to skip it. Oh, all right. Now I want to start from scratch. Now, Miro is a very big tool. It has a lot of services. We particularly want to see the mind mapping. Click on cross and click on Miro. Here is the dashboard. You can see, you can explore it on your own. I'm going to click on new board, and all right, we are on a board. Let's close it and then also hide my sidebar of my browser. Now, what is mind mapping and what it is actually? Click on plus, mind map, and just ignore this. Click on anywhere. Now, the very first thing I do is changing the colors of the borders. You can leave it however you like. Now, press the space button of your keyboard. Now, once you press it, you will see a tool like hand. If you click it, you can just move it this way. Now we can click on control if you are on Mac command and use the wheel of your mouse and just scroll it so that you can zoom it, zoom out like this. So we can this way and we can zoom in, zoom out. Now, project overview. Okay, great. Now we can click on plus. It will do something. development. Then if I just click on enter or maybe return if you are on Mac, it will create another node, kind of a tree. You see, tree grow we have a lot of branches of a tree like this. Now, if I do design, no, this is the design by the way. Double click and edit it, design and development, and then maybe deployment, and maybe then what? Maybe we can use marketing like this. Now if I just click on outside and click on cross, now see, we have this. Now I know that my project consists four parts: design, development, deployment, marketing. Now in design I need particularly these things. Maybe example 1, maybe example 2, maybe example 3. Now I don't need the fourth one. I can click and delete. That's it, simple. Now I can click press space, and this way now I can do this. Maybe example 1, example 2, this way. Now I can change also the colors. If I just select this, I can change the colors. I can change the color here as well. Maybe this. Now we can take multiple mind map. Now probably this particular step is linked with another mind map. So take this mind map and place it somewhere else, maybe here. And now um, pro, project 2 overview like this. Now we can also click and drag anywhere we like. Now we want to connect this with this. How do we do it? Just click on this connection line. Now we can do like this, and we can do like this, and we can change the styles like this, like this. We can change it. We can change the colors. What I'm trying to say is, see, what I'm trying to say is we can do all of the mind mapping, and in some place we think, okay, this exam 1 doesn't come under example 2, it comes under example 3 maybe. So just click it and take it and just paste over example 3. It will be moved to example 3, and that we really cannot do in paper, right? Now maybe development, we can click here. See, if we drag it, we are not allowed to change it. If I click on project overview and remove this auto, now I am allowed to take my branch wherever I like. If I take it this way, it will be like this. If I take this way, it will be like this. So I can take my node wherever I like to do the mind mapping. Now we want to share it with our client. How do we do it? We need to download it somehow. Just click on this frame and click and drag like this. Basically we need to take a page. In paper we have page, right? So this way we have to take a page. If we click on frame, we can resize it. Yeah, we can do it like this way. Now let's download this page so that we can share it with client. Just click on frame and click on export this board, save as a PDF and export. All right, it downloaded. Okay, all right, I download it. Now you see we have this. Now we can share it with Finder. Okay, Um, okay. Here is the PDF. Now we can share this with client. You can see it's untitled.pdf. Now we can share this with our client, and if at some point we see that we need to modify this project to overview as well, we can take a lot of branch. We can take branch here as well. It's on us how we want to do the mind mapping. It's really helpful as a developer, and I think you should at least give it a try. So that is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much for listening to till the end. And I'm pretty sure I will be catching you up in the next one.